I'm gonna give y'all a little description and backstory on this blue truck out here. We've had this truck for, I really don't know how long they've had this truck. It's been around all my life. But anyways, as you can see, it's got a 565 big block Chevrolet in it on nitrous. Enough nitrous. It's on my power glide, got a 9-inch. It's on big tire. Way back when I was a real little kid, Daddy used to race it in index classes, and I really don't remember much of it because I was probably 3, 4, 5 maybe. And it did good then, and then he blown the motor up because, you know, he can't keep anything together. So this got put in there, then it got put in another vehicle, and then it got put back in here. And and then now it's where it is now. It just sits around a lot, and the dude who owns it's getting old. We really just work on it and drive it, do everything to it pretty much. It's probably gonna get sold here pretty soon, and we just trying to get a good number out of it before it gets sold. So yeah, the truck looks pretty good though. I know y'all can't see it very well, it's pretty dark out here. Oh, good roll for that.
Huh?
I said, you just like to say, I'm getting too old for all this.
I'm getting too old to be messing with you.
That's what me.
Yeah.
Me.
Look, I'm the driver. I shouldn't have to work on this stuff. What?
I don't like thinking there.
Huh?
I said, I don't like thinking there. We ain't a race team around here.
Yeah, well.
Everybody has to work.
I'm the driver. You're the flunky. Ronnie's the crew chief.
I like that one.
Huh?
We were on some 8-inch wheels. Now we got these nice looking 10-inch wheels. They look a lot nicer. The tire wear is a little weird since we've been on 8-inch wheels. Yeah, we did that too. See what happens? Daddy gets done doing one thing. Walks inside. Yet to be seen again. It's been total about 6 minutes since he's left. Probably done fell asleep in his recliner by now. Okay, what's going on, guys? We made it back from AutoZone, and they had a few of the gaskets we needed for the water pump. We had to get just a sheet of gasket material, so we'd make them ourselves, and that's what Daddy's doing in the shop right now. But please excuse the mess in here because it is terrible since we just pulled the motor out of the booger. You having fun?
I hit my fight.
Oh gosh, that's a leg. As y'all can see, we pulled the motor out of the booger. Daddy just can't keep anything together these days, so I guess we're gonna have to start keeping them on check. We'll start getting, we're pulling this thing out every weekend, seems like.
Showed him what happened to the booger.
Killed it again, man. That's the second time. You know, got 2 murder charges.
Yeah. Would I ever use that when I get older? Yes, you.
No, I did not think that because I was like 7 and I was just having a blast with scissors trying to stab people.
Well, this is what you use it for. This is what happens when O'Reilly's don't have enough gaskets.
Alright, well, it's getting late tonight, guys, and we're going to shut it down. I'll catch y'all back up in the morning. We did get the water pump on. We ain't got it fully connected up and everything yet, though, to where it's actually functional. But we should have that tomorrow. And we got to do a few other little things to the truck so we can get it ready to go racing Sunday at Leakesville. It's just going to be a little testing session, no big race, nothing, but I'll catch y'all guys up. What's going on, guys? It's the next day and we're going to work on the blue truck some. We're going to replace the coil, finish up what we were doing to the water pump yesterday, and a few other little things to get it running, hopefully get it ready for tomorrow. We'll catch you guys here in just a minute. Alright, we got the water pump pretty much put on. It's leaking around a little spice because it's pretty old, but we're going to put some silicone on it and hope it works. Now we're going to try to get the coil mounted and see if we can get this thing cranked up today. Hopefully we can, because as I said, we're trying to make this race tomorrow just to go testing. And, I'll catch y'all here in a minute. Alright, what's up, guys? I don't know if y'all can notice, yesterday I didn't get much filming done, but we did break the transmission, so we're gonna pull it out today. But while I was gone at school, Daddy's pretty much got it most of the way out, and all I gotta do is help him get it all the way out. So alright, guys, we got the transmission out and we have been assessing the damage, and we have come to the conclusion that the input shaft is broken. When we pulled the transmission out, it fell out. So we're going to get a input shaft and most likely put it in there and still try to make this race on the 27th. So yeah, I'll try to keep y'all guys updated, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.